Hey Robert, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Thanks for having me out here. So I walked around the whole house here, and you have a very steep roof, and it's probably not a wise idea for me to jump up there to do an inspection. But I did notice a lot of things from the ground. So I'll walk around and I'll point out those things here quick. But before I do that, if you could just watch this brief informational video that really explains what this conditioning treatment from RoofMax can do to help further extend the life of your roof. Thanks.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.
Okay, so this is really the only sign I noticed that has some issues, and it's not bad at all, really. I mean, it's just got the beginning signs of growth. So we're good to go there. I can take care of that. That would probably take me 30 minutes to treat that. So when it comes to treating algae and stuff growing on your shingles, kind of like you would keep a pool clean, you know, they have special algicides that take care of that naturally, and then after whatever is on your roof dies, it will go ahead and just naturally rinse off with the rain. So I'm noticing over here in this area right here, you can kind of see the granulars, you know, kind of coming off the secondary coat of the shingles. These are architectural shingles, and if I was to look through down your gutter screens, that would show a little bit about how much granulars are coming off. There's the dog. Won't go that way. Yeah, for the most part, this roof looks like it's got the beginning signs of the drying out. And this plumbing boot here, every time we do a roof tune-up, a conditioning treatment, what we do is put a new rubber gasket around all those plumbing boots, because over time those dry out. I am noticing that that boot is sticking up a little bit higher than I'd like to see, maybe because of the snow or the ice, so that's going to need some rubber grommet screws to help hold that down. Okay, we're at the back of the house here, starting to know, if you look over there, it's definitely signs of shingles drying out. If I was to go up there, generally I like to do like a seal tab check, lift that up and make sure that the shingles are glued together. But I think they are. From the ground, with my experience, I can see that these shingles are pretty flat, but they're, you can really see on this side here, just based on, you know, this side of the shingles over here compared to here, how much blacker they are. And the reason why that happens is because over time the shingles will expand and contract in the heat. And if a dried out shingle is not able to flex and move, the granulars just work their way off, and you're going to start seeing thermal cracks soon. There's another plumbing boot that we would put another gasket around, and any flashing details we see around your chimney, we're going to make sure those are buttoned up. During the roof tune-up, what we also do is do a full check of your chimney to see if there's any cracks in any of the mortar joints all around the whole chimney, because once water gets in there and the water tries to expand and contract, it'll start bursting parts of the chimney. So I mean, the chimney looks really good from the ground here, so just as a double check, I'm noticing on your skylight right there on the right corner that's starting to lift up. So we're going to want to go ahead and get that tuned down with a rubber grommet screw. So noticing that this gutter right here, it's got a lot of leaves and stuff in it, so go ahead and blow that out for you while we're up there. Hey, thanks so much for having us out here. So during this inspection, I definitely noticed a few places that we can do a little bit of roof cleaning. Not too much that's serious type cleaning. When it comes to forms of cleaning, we do have a same-day results type cleaning package where everything can be gone that day, or we can apply like a concentrated soap, and it's almost like a wet and forget product. Essentially what that will do is prevent any future growth, and over time what's on your roof, well, with the hard rains, it'll naturally wash away. And you know, and moving forward, you know, keeping the algae go away, it's kind of like a biannually type service to, you know, make sure that you keep that stuff from growing. And I'm really proud of you for being proactive. A lot of homeowners aren't as proactive as you are, so that's really good. And right now we're at the beginning stages of seeing a shingle starting to show signs of drying out. So kind of like you would your skin, you know, applying a cream to keep it from drying out and wrinkles. That's the exact same thing with your roof. The roof is made out of, you know, petrochemical oils, and over time the UV rays from the sun will dry those out. So a conditioning treatment from Roof Max is definitely suggested for this roof. It's not a topical sealer, but what it is it really is a penetrant. It seeps down into the shingle. It rehydrates the asphalt and the shingle and adds more waterproofing properties. Hail impact resistance. It helps re-adhere all of the seal tabs under each shingles to prevent wind damage and all that fun stuff. So any questions you have, don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me at 608-999-WASH or 815-660-SEAL. Thank you.